Hey guys, and welcome to the caricature drawings. We're going to be drawing some faces. All right, so I hope you're ready. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with the jawline, and this one she has more of a pointy face. I want to say more like a diamond. Okay, so I'm going to come from the sides here, and I'm going to curve down. She literally has a pointy jawline. All right, and I'm going to go back up and touch like that. Now we come from the top here and we're going to draw her hairline. So we want the hairline to curve and actually touch that part there, like that. And the same thing on the other side. So it's going to curve and we want it to actually touch. Trust the process, guys. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to draw her neck. So we've got 1 and 2. And we're going to do a t-shirt. So we're just going to come off the neck right here. And I'm going to curve this way and down. Same thing over here, same spot, curve and down. All right, and from here, I'm going to give her a V-neck. So I'm going to come this way, like that, and this way. All right, let's start with her eyes. So I'm going to give her these nice ovally shaped eyes, but I'm going to let them point out a little that way. So I do like this, and I want to go bigger up here. Okay, same thing on this side. Inside the eye, I'm going to do a circle at the bottom and a circle at the top. And I'm gonna color it in. I know it looks weird at the moment, guys. I agree with you. Trust the process. The face will all come together. All right. Let's give her now some eyelashes. So I'm just gonna come off here and I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And from here, I just want to do a little line here. These are like her eyelids. And then we're going to go up here with the eyebrows. Now the eyebrows are going to go off into the hair, which is fine. Into the hair. Okay, and I'm just going to shade them in black, of course. All right, now I'm going to give her a little nose. So we just go a mountain. All right, and then we're going to go at the bottom here. I'm going to do 1, 2. Come up here. 1, 2. And then in there, I just shade a little piece like that. 1, 2. Now for her mouth, I'm going to start with a smile. And you give that smile a little kick up. 1, 2. And then you find the center and we're going to do the lips. So I go up with the mountain for the lip. And I'm going to come down here on both sides. And then at the bottom, I'm just going to go like this. And there you go. There you go. She's missing ears. So let's give her ears. And for her ears, we come right on the side of her eyes. Imagine your eyes and you find the center and you go right here on the eye. I'm going to go up with a curve and right there. Okay, because I want to give her a nice little circle earring right there. And I'm going to do in the ear that little hook there. I'm going to do this on this side. I hope I have space. All right, so make sure it's even. You want to go curl, come down, same spot. Give her that circle earring. And you do that curve in the air as well. I'm going to just fix this. We'll try to fix it. All right, and lastly, we're going to fix her hair. Okay, so I'm going to start from the top here. And you curve up. All right, and I'm just going to, you just go crazy with the wavy hair as much as you want. And I'm just going to let it kick off of her t-shirt. I'm going to let it meet like that. And then on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, just because of space, it's going to be less hair on this side, but you go crazy, okay, guys? Now, if you wanted to just add a little detail, you can just do a couple lines like that. All right, and there you have it. You've drawn a beautiful girl. So I hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one. Bye bye.